Gikaro kiria giguthaganitio ni Ambunge undu na senators gicigo gia gatagati wa bururi mwena wa Naivasha nikirekereire ndeto igi uria gicigo giki gikoretwo kiriganire guoka ni maundu megiii uthii wanambere ikiyoritu mucemania-ini wa muthenya wa umuthi. Kuringana na Atongoria 70 aria megwikinyitie gikaro-ini giki ni marikitie kurora maundu matiganite ma uthii wa nambere maria magirwo ni kumurikwo na hinya uta uria kwahoteka kwana gutikoretwo na wigananu na icigo iria ingi ona thengia itemi ria bata riria muingi wa icigo giki ukoragwo ukinyita maundu-ini ngurani ma bururi.
We have identified development priorities for our region and in particular with regards to the following key issues. Matters regarding water, roads, electricity, and agriculture. We have therefore developed a detailed development matrix that we shall forward to His Excellency the President for implementation.
Kwa ihinda tabarĩra itiganĩte iria ikoretwo igĩtwarithio na mbere thĩinĩ wa kaunti iria gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ ikoretwo ikĩguna mũingĩ wa icigo ingĩ, atongoria makiuga no mũhaka kũgĩe na mogarũrũku.
We know that Mount Kenya region contributes over 60% of our country's GDP. Yes. Yet only 20% comes back to its people. Yes. We have therefore called upon the Commission of Revenue Allocation, CRA, Parliament and other relevant agencies to ensure that the region gets its fair share of resources when it comes to development and implementation of the second generation formula.
Uteti wa mwaka wa 2022 kura ya mawoni gatagati ka mangi ni mamwe ma maundu maria mauma meyumirie na njira nene ona gutuika gutire mutongoria witikirie kwiyumiria kugutiriria ndeto ici hindi ya gikaro na andiki a mohoro. Ukirikana matinaigwithanirie ndeto-ini ino kurumira mirugamo ngurani ya kiuteti iria atongoria makoretwo nayo kuona amwe Ambunge aya makoretwo makiyumiria utheri-ini na kuga makanyita mbaru William Ruto hindi ya githurano gia 2022.
We thought if we start talking about politics, the caucus is going to split up. So we thought we keep aside the issue of politics. I was even supposed to give a paper on my analysis on whether we people of this region should support a parliamentary system, a presidential system, a constitutional democracy. Those issues were not discussed. We kept that paper aside because it has potentiality to bring politics.
Wagweterwo riu ni kuona kana mateta ma atongoria nimegukorwo magithikiririo kuona mucemanio wa umuthi ndukuguciriria Ambunge na senators tu no nginyagia maofitha matiganite a thirikari. Mucemanio ukorongoreirio gukinyaniria maundu matiganite ona gutuika mamwe ma maundu maya matinahinga gukirikana ni kuma na utiganu wa kimiario gatagati ga atongoria aya. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma Naivasha, kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, ni njĩtagwo Nungari wa Kamau.